Abonne-toi et mets un like ou cette araignée grimpera sur ta tête pendant ton sommeil. Donc n'oubliez pas qu'un jour un grand ninja a dit « Ne pas s'abonner à Slashcoon, c'est comme faire le toboggan le plus dangereux sans protection ». Donc si vous aussi vous voulez devenir un ninja, n'oubliez pas de liker et de vous abonner. Bienvenue pour une nouvelle vidéo sur Slashcoon. Dans cette vidéo, nous allons voir les enfants qui arrivent à rapper plus vite qu'Eminem. Donc regardez bien toute la vidéo, comme ça vous ne raterez rien. Mais juste avant de commencer, nous allons parler du sponsor de cette vidéo, Raid Shadow Legends. Raid Shadow Legends est un jeu développé par Plarium, disponible gratuitement sur PC et mobile. Le principe est simple. Vous rassemblez des champions, vous affrontez des ennemis, et vous les renvoyez directement dans leur tombe. C'est un des plus grands fantasy RPG sur mobile, avec plus de 10 millions de téléchargements et d'excellentes notes de la part des joueurs. Les graphismes sont à couper le souffle, et le jeu qui est déjà plus que complet est régulièrement mis à jour. Pour vous dire, il y a une multitude de modes de jeu, allant de la campagne solo au PVP, un système de clans, de tournois et de combats de boss épiques. Mais il y a surtout plusieurs centaines de champions à collectionner. Vous trouverez certainement chaussures à votre pied. X-Weaver est un rare champion de la faction des Elfes Noirs, avec une affinité spirituelle et un rôle de soutien. Elle a 3 compétences actives et aura, ce qui augmente la SPD des alliés dans les cryptes de faction de 13%. D'ailleurs, pour vous aider dans votre progression et dans le cadre du programme Nouveaux Joueurs, Raid Shadow Legends vous offre une tonne de cadeaux, incluant 50 000 argent et un champion rare gratuit. Pour cela, il vous suffit de cliquer sur les liens spéciaux dans la description pour télécharger le jeu, et vous aurez 30 jours pour les réclamer dans le coffre qui se situe en haut à droite de l'écran. A très vite en jeu. Numéro 5. On commence avec ce gars qui fait tout simplement le record du plus grand nombre de mots dits en 2 minutes. Je vous laisse avec la vidéo.
Okay, y'all, 1,000 words in 2 minutes. Let's do this. Yo. In a couple minutes, I'ma have to kill it. All the haters that just sit up on the web, but they will say that they don't feel it. But I'm never gonna listen to these idiots so dumb as fuck. I punch them and I kick them and I hit them with an uppercut. They told me that I got a record that I gotta break it. Get your woman to get in the garden show with talking snake. I fill my lungs up in the air and bust you till I hyperventilate. 1,000 words, 120 seconds, let me get it straight. I'ma grab the motherfucking sun and take a bite of it. I see a rapper try to say a sick video vitamin. You know the Mr. Macker on the track like it's a Viking jabber. Rip the fuck, I beat up in a bitch, man, I go psycho quick. All the ladies in the world is like I love you, Macker. Fry the brain up in your fucking noggin when I bust a rap. I find a beat, I really wanna kill him, and I do it. All the mumble rappers in the game and dumb and sound stupid. I'm an artist with a plan to stack of money in the videos. If fashion is a gimmick, tell the truth, I wanna spit it slow. You don't like the way that I be rapping, fucking sue me. I'ma get up on the stage and whip it out, just call me Louie. I'ma kill the group of Danny Mac and sleep with the skill. I am the king, I order you to have a pizza every meal. You act cheesy like a bag of Doritos. I swear to God, I tape your mash shit and I throw you in the back of a vehicle. I'm a missile with the flow, I'm like a rapid torpedo. I got a gun up in my hand that says a Danny DeVito. But now you're sinking like the fuck at Titanic. If anybody want a piece of this, I'm standing skin, I'll have the plan. Now listen to me, gotta give a fuck about this shit. A rapper's man, a roto book, a chopping is 100 million chapters, baby. I could probably squat a fucking elephant for 50 reps. I need to breathe a little bit of air and I'ma get my breath.
Vous voyez, il va vraiment vite. Ça fait à peine 1 minute et il est déjà arrivé à plus de 450 mots. Mais ça veut dire qu'il doit aller encore plus vite s'il espère arriver aux 1000 mots. Regardons comment il va se débrouiller.
Let me choose before I get up in the ring and fight a rapper. I'm a dip, although my hands are broken glass, so I can leave the fucker battered. I'ma hit him with a bat right in the head and daily dead and make him dig. I got the dumbest stupid words he ever said. Let me take a breath so I can get back on the drums again and sneak up on you like I'm the Phantom of the Opera with a mask over my face, put my teeth into your throat, and then I'm drinking every droplet of your motherfucking blood, my friend. I'm just a product of Peter, the clip will pop in the heater. I got the spots of a cheetah, so when they got it, you better walk away and rap it like a lunatic. I burn the mic and buzz it up on YouTube for the stupid chips. Where'd you go? So let me take another breath. I'm looking hella dope, and I've been popping since I made the pancake cook up on the stove. And now you rappers up on YouTube better treat me like the Pope, cause I'm the fucking original. You're just suffering the chemicals and you sucking like tentacles. Anybody that's lyrical better just know I'm coming with the illest flow. Ever try to kick that bullshit, you get your toe severed. Flames coming out my lungs, you know I'm crushing every drum that ever pop up in the warpath. Burning everything that I can see or smell or hear. There's lots of fire in the sky and there's some motherfucking forecast. People wanna say Mac just raps fast. Really? He ain't saying shit. You just mad cause you can't speak alien. Let's do it. Gotta spin a lot of fucking words, it's just a little time about to put a bomb inside your skull so I can blow your mind and make it look so easy. Everybody wanna try it, but your lungs are probably suffocated and you'll end up dying. I'ma take a sword and cut my fucking capillaries open, lava coming out my mouth and all my raps so fucking smoking. Anybody wanna try to play the game with maggots losing? I be coming like a Wolverine to show my teeth to chew 'em. I'm about to silly rapper on the throat and daily bleeding. I'll be taking every dollar out your pocket, now we even. I'll be taking every crumb out of your blade that's showing me. And what the fuck you gonna do? I crack your soul and then I reach and I'm the best that ever did this. Having a rap, they're not a match for me. You gotta know that I could drop a line so hard it cracks a tree and poke you in the eyeball with a mic cord. Now you have to see that when I rap, I don't have to breathe.
Numéro 4. Alors ce clip a été pris lors d'une rap battle dans une école. Un des élèves est assez bon alors que l'autre est très bon. Figurez-vous que l'élève un peu moyen se fait complètement détruire. Regardez la vidéo.
Good lord.
Shout out to McDonald's.
Turn it up. Our sponsor, McDonald's.
We made it.
Doesn't go loud.
Okay. Yeah, we'll hold it down.
L'enfant est sur le point de commencer et il va détruire l'autre.
I ball so hard, you don't even know it. I rap so hard, they call me a poet.
No.
You can't rap, you got no spit.
Oh.
Huh? Look in your eyes, I gotta stand on my toe tips, but that's okay, because you can't shoot.
Oh.
Your raps are so bad, I want to put you on mute.
No.
These girls call me cute, but I'm not, because I'm hot. When I drop on the spot, I'm at the top, and I ain't gonna drop, and I ain't gonna stop.
No.
Hold up. You're skinny with long hair. Nobody told me I was battling a mop. light up like a forest fire lights up treetops. My last IG pic I had to crop because it was me and your girl. I gave that a whirl and she gave me a swirl, but I ain't gonna lie, she looks like a squirrel.
Là, c'est au tour de l'autre de commencer, il se débrouille assez bien. Mais à un moment, il va faire une gaffe et dire quelque chose qu'il ne fallait pas. Vous ne devinerez jamais la réaction des autres enfants.
Let's see if he's got a rebuttal. You ready? Yo, hold it down. Let's go. He's ready. What do you got to say?
Boy. Yeah. Check me out, boy. I'm way too clever. Getting cheddar smacking bitch like Mayweather. All the because my sway is better. Young chap, old cap, Cosby sweater. Bitch slap, hurt map, I still go get her. Cause I know she likes me and I get a wetter. She likes me better up, so I'm fed. So you can say I'm better.
Speak up. Speak up. Speak up. Yo, I don't care.
Yo, speak up, man.
Speak up. Speak up.
Numéro 3. Là, nous avons un clip de rap fait par un enfant appelé Officialileo. Il n'a que 12 ans, et vous ne croirez jamais à quel point il rappe bien. C'est littéralement du niveau d'Eminem, et je ne blague pas.
Leo came in to demolish the scene. We're waiting for better days. Leo came in and he's acting all cheeky, cause this is the breakaway. Yeah, they hate, he lip syncs and he's fake and trash allegedly. But soon, you'll be a fan if you like it or not, cause I'll take over eventually. Leo been coming in crazy, ready to bring up the intensity. Youngest to do it, I'm flowing like fluids, I stretch opportunities flexibly. Everybody really wanna pick up in the pedaling and prosper properly, just like I did. So inspirational, motivational, Leo on the beat, so sensational. I don't play it all, look at my actions, look at my work, I don't have to say it all. Going up vertical, and my bars are so lyrically surgical, very unmerciful. What I did is so irreversible, keep to myself, so incontrovertible. Myself in the game cause I'm very submersible, very submersible. Yeah. All of my people are winning and grinning, all of us grateful, none of us sinning. I keep it low key, look how I'm kicking it solo. Leo been doing it solo. Everyone knows I'm a G like I'm Polo. That's how it is, representing for my mom and I'm making her proud, my dripper and Coco. I'm on the beat, go loco, outright me no go. Stand up tall, rep for my country, shout out my family bronos. I'm moving my own, with my own toes. Shout out my family, shout out my people, they've been with me from day though. Yeah.
Numéro 2. Là, c'est encore un rap battle, tout comme celui qu'on avait vu un peu plus tôt, mais croyez-moi, il est largement mieux. Parce que là, les deux sont incroyablement bons. Un des deux se fait quand même détruire et la foule devient folle.
Listen, I go by Ashton Larold. That's proof this is a joke to me. Now, when I asked you to battle, you should have just said no to me. You said you've only lost once. Was that supposed to scare me? My record's flawless. Just go ask the other Jeremy.
Figurez-vous que ça ne fait que commencer. Regardez ce qu'il va dire ensuite.
Had a bike helmet on in his Twitter pics, on his skateboard doing simple tricks. You don't know what hip-hop is, you little dick brittle shit. I could riddle and spit a limerick 6 times as ill as Cop So Sick.
He's getting full.
This ain't grind time, this ain't URL, this ain't King of the Dot. This is PBI, bitch, I'm the king of this spot. I'll diminish any skills this kid thinks that he's got. And prove once and for all that I am sicker than Cop.
Il continue et là, il est sans pitié. Je pense même qu'il est allé trop loin.
Leave the space, bro. All right. Go. Yeah, shut the up. All right.
Yo, this is a rap battle, not a Twitter fight. You're a chubby fuck that sits and writes, recording on your shitty mic. Your voice sounds like a little dyke. You clearly ate too many little bites. We are two completely different types. My bars are always really tight. You sound like you are really white. Yo, but this thought because I was white that this would be an easy win. Well, let me key you in on a little secret. This ain't Leave It to Beaver, kid, and I could beat this piece of shit who beats his dick to penis pics till Jesus sees and says I'm being way too mean to him. I saw him shopping with his mom and he was sitting in the car. You look like a tan gummy bear. How the f do you think you're hard?
Numéro 1. Alors, ce dernier clip est incroyable. Un enfant de 8 ans fait un cover de Rap God d'Eminem, un des titres les plus rapides du rappeur, et le tout sans accroc.
Hey guys, what's up? This is Isaac. I'm 12 years old doing a video cover for Rap God. The last video didn't. I'm beginning to feel like a rap god. All my people from the front to the back. No arms are long enough to slap box. They said I rap like a robot, so call me a rap bot. But for me to rap like a computer, be in my jeans. I got a laptop in my back pocket. My pen will go off when I half cock it. Got a fat knot for that rap profit. Made a living and a killing off it. Ever since Bill Clinton was still in office. With Monica Lewinsky filling on his nutsack. I'm an MC, still as honest, but as rude and as indecent as all syllables kill them all. Look.
Comme vous avez pu le voir, il se débrouille bien, et c'est vraiment pas mal pour son âge. Regardez bien le clip jusqu'à la fin car à un moment sa mère entre dans sa chambre et est choquée en entendant son fils rapper.
Oh, man, that boy's gay, that's all they say, look at boy. You get a thumbs up, pat on the back, and a really good for your label every day, look at boy. Hey, look at boy, what you say, look at boy? I got a heck yeah, I'm a Dre, look at boy. I'm a work for everything you have in the best, nobody but you can stick a boy. You never be capable of keeping up at the same pace, look at boy, cause I'm beginning to feel like a rap god. All my people from the front to the back, no, who thinks that arms are long enough to slap box, stay out of the part of the trailer, fuck the white trash god. Notable for General Zod, planet script on no Asgard. So you be Thor, I'll be older, you rodent, I'm omnipotent. Lit off the non reloading immediately with these bombs I'm toting, and I should not be roping.
Voilà, nous sommes arrivés à la fin de cette vidéo. J'espère qu'elle vous aura plu. Si c'est le cas, soyez sûr de vous être abonné et d'avoir aimé la vidéo. Merci d'avoir visionné cette vidéo, à la prochaine.